Good morning, students. Our new topic is coastal plains. Now, look at here. The coastal plains of India are situated from Gujarat to Odisha. Clear? In these nine states and two union territories comes. They are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and till Odisha. Two union territories, Daman and Diu, and next one is Puducherry. These plains extend up to 7,517 kilometer. This region. Clear? Let us discuss in detail in Gujarat plains. So, situated this part to Daman and entire Gujarat and two districts यानी कि गुजरात प्लेन्स में टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वो नहीं आती हैं, बाकी ये सारा गुजरात प्लेन्स हैं. यू कैन सी हेयर विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स बनास गंठा एंड साबर गंथा कंथा, गुजरात कंथा एंड साबर कंथा. क्लियर? ये गुजरात प्लेन्स में नहीं आती, ये टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ गुजरात. These Gujarat plains are formed due to the depositional activities of river like Mahi. You can see here Mahi going. And Sabarmati. Sabarmati also I not mentioned here. Sabarmati and Mahi river, and you can see upside Luni river also. Luni river also. This is Luni river. Clear? And further means Gujarat plains further divided into two parts. Gulf of Kutch. You can see here Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch. In this Kutch plain we find the Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch. And Kathiawar Peninsula also there. Kathiawar Peninsula. And in between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambhat, Kathiawar Peninsula. काठियावाड़ पेनिनसुला ऑल्सो नोन एज सौराष्ट्र, इसको हम सौराष्ट्र नाम से भी जानते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट वेस्टर्न घाट. वेस्टर्न घाट, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स इज सिचुएटेड दीज इन वेस्टर्न घाट एंड अरेबियन सी. यू कैन सी हेयर अरेबियन सी. दे आर सिचुएटेड महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, Karnataka and Kerala. Clear? It extends up to 1,400 kilometer and width 10 to 80 kilometer. West coastal plains also divided into three. Let us look at them. Konkan till Maharashtra, Konkan, we can say this area Konkan. And between Goa to and Goa between Kerala, Malabar Konkan, This is Canara. Goa to Kerala, in between Canara, and this is the Malabar Tut in Kerala, proper in Kerala. So once again listen, till Maharashtra, this is the Konkan area, and Maharashtra to Goa, this is Canara. Maharashtra to Goa, this is Canara. This is Konkan and this is Canara, and this is Malabar coastal. Malabar. Clear? Now we will discuss about eastern coastal located Swarnarekha river to here Swarnarekha river. I don't mention here Swarnarekha river to Kerala. East coastal are located Swarnarekha river to Kerala. Clear? Narmada and Tapti rivers going like this. You can see here. And here Bay of Bengal, you already know about Bay of Bengal. Eastern Ghat divided into two. They are Krishna Delta. You can see here, this is the delta of Krishna Delta. About delta I told you. Eastern and now see, this is a delta of Krishna. This is the area of Coromandel, and till start from here to there, this is the northern Sarkar. This is area of northern Sarkars. Northern Sarkars further divided into two: Andhra coastal and Utkal coast. Coromandel in Kerala. And Andhra coast we find Krishna, Godavari delta, and Utkal coast we find Mahanadi delta in Utkal coast, Mahanadi delta. Clear? So students, make it this diagram, and you can see in atlas also. Then we will discuss later with new topic.